Seems like everybody's out of price. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the step comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got a shake from your eyes and you feel so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody looks to the left, everybody looks to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we'll play in love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price, yeah. Ain't about the change, ain't about that, yeah. So we wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price, yeah. Okay, we need to take it back in time. With music when it's all your mind. When it wasn't no hoes in a video hoes, and I'm the only one getting tired. Why is everybody still obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. But we all slow down and enjoy right now. Got my team in the living on right. Everybody looks to the left, everybody looks to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're playing in love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about your price tag. It's about the change, ain't about that, yeah. We're playing, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the, yeah, yo, we'll keep the price there and take the cash back. Just give me 6 drinks and a half step. And you can just keep the cross, maybe think the rush. And all I need, I can see the cross. And it's been in the touch of seconds, I'm living to loss. You will look in the cross, we're from the people on. Like this, man, we can't put a price on the light. We do this for the love, so we fight, sacrificing every night. So we can go shopping with all never. But in the state, just to the sound of the beat, so we can keep everyone moving your feet. So we back the beat, and everyone sings everybody, money, money, money. Change, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Oh, yeah, Forget about the price tag. Maraming salamat po. Station to. Ipoto po natin si Congressman Junicio, number 2 po sa balota. At syempre po, pag pinoto po natin siya, pwede rin po natin iboto ang Team Ernest Junicio at ang Team Asenso Mangalenyo. Okay, syempre po, isa na po dyan si Edna Puti Ramos po, number 25 po sa balota. Juzon Alfonso po, number 15 sa balota. Marjorie Isidro po, number 14 sa balota. At syempre po, ang tatay na si Bishop Junicio, na si John Junicio, number 9 po sa balota. At si Jesus Tagal Fajardo po, number 10 sa balota. At pag din po natin kakalimutan si Mayor Ejercito Erap Estrada po, number 4 po sa balota. At meron pa po isang number 4. Si Doktora Honey Lacuna po, number 4 din po sa balota. At wag din po natin kakalimutan si Tumagoso Isko Moreno po, number 4 din sa balota. Sana po ipoto po natin sila sa May 9, 2016 sa halalan po. Maraming salamat po. Asenso, Mangalenyo.